Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, but this today is a little nature trail I found over in my little city. I totally forgot it was here. So we're gonna go through and do a little walkthrough and see what's here. That's an old bench. Let's go. Let's see. There's names and people engraved on here. Engraved, I said engraved. Oh, now we're gonna go back through this way. Let's see where this leads. So, it's been a fun, eventful few days, and I say weeks, I would say. But, oh crap, we got a fork in the road. I'm gonna go left. Look at all these little birdhouses. Everything's been hell, try to pay off tickets and stuff and getting life in order. It's been fun and exhausting. All these birdhouses. Oh, it just goes around. Look at that, guys. It just goes around. There's that big old birdhouse. What's down this way? This trail just keeps going and going. Hey, look, another birdhouse. Looks like that was an old trail. Dude, it'd be fun to take a little pit bike down here. Where does this even go? I don't even see an opening yet, guys. Did I even go down the right path? Did I? Guys, I don't know. Huh. Well, the path is still going, so I guess we'll follow through. And also here shortly, I'm going to be making some stickers to be sending out. Still haven't come up with an idea, but in a few weeks I should have something. So don't worry, guys. For all those who watch, I will leave a link in the description for email. Y'all be able to send me addresses, and then I'll be able to send you guys some stickers here in a few weeks. And where is this trail going? Wow. I don't remember the last time this trail's been gone through. I don't remember being like this. Yeah. God damn. I don't remember the trail being this bad. Ah! Spiderweb! Ugh, get off me. Ah! Yeah, like I said, here in a few weeks. Whoa, I went the wrong way. Oh man. So guys, I went the wrong way. I shouldn't have gone left. I should have went right instead of following the other trail. So now I have to come back to this and fall all the way back down. How the fuck did I manage to do this? Guys, I'm terrible with directions. Dear Lord. Oh my God. So now I get to go back through and go to the right. Maybe if we have time for this video today. Man, I gotta walk all the way back around. Hey, look, it's a birdie. Oh, birdie's gone. But yeah, here in a couple weeks, I will be making stickers to send out to everybody. If y'all want one, I will have a link in the description here soon. It won't be tonight for this video, but probably the next 2-3 videos I might be having one. That way we can set one up. So, oh look guys, we're back at the front. about finally time. I think I was supposed to go this way, I believe. God, I walked all around like an idiot. Guys, I'm a dum-dum. Hopefully, this is the right way to go. I hope it is. If not, I'm gonna be very upset and very angry. See, I don't know about this. There is an old trails though from people coming through here, so this has got to be it. That looks like tracks to a stroller for a kid. These tracks aren't old either. I wonder. Let's find out. So, one thing I wanted to try and do is have y'all do a dare for me. Now note, it has to be public, and it can't be that whole wazoo stuff. And guys, I just hit a dead end, motherfucker. And in other words, saying as a dare, has to be PG-13, guys. Come on. 2017, come on, guys. Y'all put a comment down in the comments of a dare you want me to do, and I'll do it. And I'll make a video about it. And don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye.